Easy.
All right, by now we've all heard the news that Floyd Mayweather and Conor McGregor will fight in Las Vegas on August 26th. With the two men coming from two different fighting disciplines, though, how do they match up? John Breakus and the ESPN Sports Science team look to find those answers.
The UFC fighter Conor McGregor and boxing's Floyd Mayweather have similar height and reach. But with different approaches in a fight, who would have the advantage in the ring? McGregor's brute power is rooted in technique. When initiating a left-handed strike, McGregor typically puts about 80% of his weight on his back foot. Then, using his front leg as a fulcrum, he propels himself into his target with as much rotational velocity as an MLB pitcher rocketing a fastball. The result is a punch that consistently packs nearly 850 pounds of force. That's on par with a 10-pound sledgehammer swung at 20 miles per hour. Now, a hard punch doesn't help if it doesn't land. And Money may be the best in the world at defense. One of his signature techniques is called a pull counter. To execute this move, Mayweather first baits his opponent with a shoulder roll, which reduces his target size by roughly half in just a split second. And because he keeps his rear elbow tucked in, he's able to efficiently spring the counter with 10.5 G's of acceleration. That's quicker than the strike of a viper. And while the force Mayweather generates isn't quite as powerful as McGregor's, by utilizing speed and precision, Money still has knockout power. In fact, Mayweather's power is about the same as that of volume puncher and McGregor rival Nate Diaz.
Oh, this should be culture shock for McGregor as he transitions to boxing. McGregor's average fight lasts just over 5 minutes, while Mayweather's is over 10 rounds. McGregor brings a power style with 12 knockdowns, while Mayweather has 4 in his last 15 fights. And McGregor lands nearly half of his significant strikes, but it'll be tough to get through Mayweather's defense. Opponents land under 20% of their punches.